Assalamu alaikum. Alhamdulillah, second Shuraim started. Do prayers and also remember me in your precious prayers. Jazakallah. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for such daily reminders and don't forget to press the bell icon.